Hello, so I found out that I did the wrong video. I did chapter 11 instead of problem 12-11A, which is right here. And let's see, it says the comparative balance sheets for Sheffield Corp as of December 31st are presented below. And it gives a comparative balance sheet from 2017 and 2016. And then that's the assets, the liabilities, and stockholders' equity. And as 2017 and 16. It says additional information. Operating expenses include depreciation expense. Land was sold for cash at book value. Cash dividends of $13,584 were paid. Net income for 2017 was $41,884. Equipment was purchased for $104,144. In addition, equipment costing $24,904, but the book value of $11,320 was sold for $9,056. 45,280 shares of $1 par value common stock were issued in exchange for land with fair value of $45,280. Prepare a statement of cash flows with the year ending, okay, using the direct method. Okay. So I have not done this. I haven't done any of the homework, so it's going to be a while before I get this done. If anyone wants to go ahead and help out, please do, because I probably won't get to this until, my hope is tomorrow night or early Friday to get it videoed. And I'm sorry, I apologize for being such a flake. It's just been a busy couple of weeks, and I feel a little bit overwhelmed. So, just telling you the honest truth, and sorry I haven't been more helpful. Thanks.